pause. GPIO system, online. Main system, online.
Hello,
Hello sir. How can I help you?
how are you?
I am fine.
Tell me something about you.
My name is Lucy. I am the home assistant robot. I work on 64-bit microcomputer Raspberry Pi 3. I have 1 GB RAM, 16 GB ROM. My main programming is based on Python 3 programming language, which is written by my maker Sir Essen. I am having whole Wikipedia, which can tell you anything, and also I have whole YouTube. I can send email to anyone. I can manage your Facebook messages. How many marks out of 10 will you give me, sir?
10 on 10.
Thank you, sir. Impressive.
Who is SRK?
Searching, sir.
It will take its search time.
Shah Rukh Khan, born 2nd of November, 1965, also known by the initialism SRK, is an Indian actor, film producer, and television personality.
Who is Bill Gates?
William Henry Gates III, born October 28, 1955, is an American business magnate, investor, author, philanthropist, and humanitarian.
Who is this?
Name is Essen.
So now I'll ask, who is Adnan? Who is Adnan?
I don't know.
So you see, she don't know who Adnan is because the database of her don't have Adnan face. Now I'll introduce Adnan to her. This is Adnan.
Okay.
So now I have introduced Adnan to her and she have clicked the photos and saved in her database. I'll ask again, who is this? Who is this?
This is Adnan.
So that's it. You could see the news running, it's a live news. Record my video. Send email.
To
My email.
login in as Essen Moraes. Your message, sir.
It's 10th November today.
Email sent.
Start moving. Turn right. Turn turn left, stop, backward, turn left, stop, shut down,
Sir, I am going to shut down. In 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Now I'll show you the coding. So let's wait. So that's face rec. This is the face recognition. This OpenCV files training data bio.txt contains the information about the person you have just introduced, and faces.txt contains the name. That's all files. Now call.py is the main function that's get called, that have all the functions. And data set f2.py is the main animation that the face and the recording of videos. Gmail.py used to send mails. Lucy.py is the main function that calls every other function. And that's mic.py. I'll show you gmail.py. So that's gmail.py. And there goes the news.txt, the live news. That's the trainer, that's the face recognition.